Hi, it's Lisa with Passionfruit Arts, and we are in the kitchen cooking up some hot chocolate bombs. So you may have heard of these, they're all the rage, and they come in a wide variety of flavors. So I'm, of course, always interested in taking a sweet treat and kind of kicking it up a notch, turning it into something that is pleasurable and also sustainable for the body, mind, and spirit. So I love cooking with flowers and herbs. So these herbs that I have put in this hot chocolate bomb are for increasing circulation and therefore increasing the libido. Shatavari, ashwagandha, cinnamon, and rose. These are beautiful adaptogenic herbs that will warm you up and spice up your life. So I'll show you how we make the basic hot chocolate bomb, and you can check out my other video up above, just how to make the hot chocolate bomb shell. And I also have a wonderful Ayurvedic recipe called golden milk. And you can also check out that video. Start by finely chopping a semi-sweet dark chocolate baking bar into even slivers. Gently heat 75% of the slivers in a microwave or double boiler, stirring well until almost melted, and then temper it by folding in the rest of the chocolate pieces, stirring until smooth. This tempering process is an important step, so whether you have a silicone mold or make your own, for the best results, watch my hot chocolate bombs with or without a mold video. Check out the link above. So to make these extra special raspberry rose with shatavari hot chocolate bombs, we are going to experiment with 2 different shells. If you can't find a mold, you may have to make your own. So this is how they turned out when we made them with a little foil mold. And you'll want to have a hot surface. You can put a plate in the microwave, and you just want to kind of soften the edges. And it doesn't really matter if it's bumpy. These ones are a little easier. They should peel right back from the silicone mold, and you want to gently just peel it back, and they should pop right out. This one I got a little fancy and left a hole the size of a cinnamon stick in it. So let's see if we can gently pop. Oh, it's starting to break. Just peel this back. Ah! We did it, yes. Okay. So I left this hole for the cinnamon stick. Once you have the chocolate shells prepared, fill 1/2 with a heaping tablespoon of the Herbal Hot Chocolate mixture. If you can't find the powdered herbs from a local herb or vitamin shop, or you don't have time to order them online, you can easily create a nice love potion bomb with more common kitchen spices. Just zest up your hot cocoa mix with the cinnamon, a pinch of chili powder, and a style of saffron, which is historically known as an aphrodisiac. Next, crush a few dried organic rose petals onto the powder. Rose is known for opening and calming the heart, and is especially nice if you're treating yourself to this love bomb as a self-love treat. Make sure to only consume organic roses, as they tend to be highly sprayed. Finally, for flavor and that extra fun pop, stuff as many freeze-dried raspberries into the shell as you can fit. Use these in place of the marshmallows commonly used in the hot cocoa bombs. The size and texture work really well, and they taste delicious with the chocolate, rose, and spices. Finish the love potion bombs by carefully placing the warmed rim top onto the filled bottom, holding it for a few seconds until it seals. If you made a hole for the cinnamon stirring stick, place it carefully into the top. You can now use any leftover warm chocolate to seal the gap around the cinnamon stick and along the seam. Go ahead, use your fingers to rub it in. You can also gently roll the sphere onto the warm pan to melt the seam closed. You want the ingredients to be nicely sealed inside the bomb. Drizzle a line of chocolate on top of the sphere and stick some dried rose petals and freeze-dried raspberries on top to decorate, letting the recipient know what flavor it is. A sprinkle of gold or white candy sprinkles adds a nice touch too. Whether you used the homemade foil mold or a silicone mold to make these shells, The final result is very similar after decorating, and it's fine if they're imperfect. It's all about the enjoyment, just like love. To serve these hot chocolate love potion bombs, place 1 bomb in a mug and carefully pour steaming hot milk over the chocolate, and let the fun begin as the hot milk melts the chocolate and releases sensuous fruit and spice to make your insides feel warm and nice. You can even spike this with a shot of Damiano liqueur for next level libido. Enjoy!